Hi everyone, I'm Aksana Shajan, an MSc Cybersecurity student of National College of Ireland. I'm here to present my research proposal on the topic Intrusion Detection in IoT Devices using Zero Bias DNN. Now let's go through the slides. Introduction. IoT are considered as smart devices with inbuilt sensors and data processing capabilities when connected to the internet. There is a huge increase in the number of IoT devices, ranging from 15 million devices in 2015 to an expected range of 46 million devices by the end of 2021. So, this large increase can be an advantage for hackers also. So, security is essential. An effective intrusion detection system is needed to prevent the intrusions. Deep learning approaches are more efficient than traditional intrusion detection systems. The proposed idea is a zero bias deep neural network for IoT to have accurate and efficient detection capability. Zero bias DNN was first introduced in 2021 in the paper Zero Bias Deep Learning for Accurate Identification of IoT Devices. Here, it was used for identification of IoT devices. How effective can be the zero bias DNN for intrusion detection in IoT devices? As we all know, traditional intrusion detection systems fail to meet the requirement of proper intrusion in IoT devices. According to researchers, deep learning will be good and efficient method for intrusion detection. So, and from the research, we have found that DNN is a good technology for this. So, we have used zero bias DNN in our research, in our proposal. From the paper, Zero Bias Deep Learning for Accurate Identification of IoT Devices, it is proved that this technique is successful in identifying known and unknown devices. So, it could provide a satisfactory output when trained with multiple datasets for an accurate intrusion detection. Research summary. In the research paper, Attack Classification Analysis of IoT Network via Deep Learning Approach. In this paper, feed-forward architecture of DNN technique was being used, but the result was biased, and the dataset used was UNSW NB15. So we are using a zero bias DNN, which is more efficient in intrusion detection. The next paper is Intrusion Detection System for IoT based on machine learning approach. Here also DNN technology was used and the database used was NSLKDD, and this system failed to detect some type of attacks. 3 modern datasets were used in our proposed system, so to get a better result. And the final paper, we have already told about this paper. The zero bias technique was used for identifying IoT devices and it had a good performance. So this same technology is used in our proposal to find intrusions in physical and network layer. Research methods and specification. The following figure shows the general architecture of DNN. Zero bias deep neural network is used for identification and intrusion detection in both physical and communication channel. In this approach, the last dense layer in convolutional layer is replaced with a zero bias layer. It helps in increasing interpretability without decreasing the accuracy. So accuracy also will be high. UNSW NB15 IoT network intrusion dataset and MQTT IoT IDS 2020 dataset could be used for our research proposed system. Conclusion. As we all know, there is a great increase in IoT devices. The chances for attacks also increases. So it is very necessary to protect the IoT devices. Attacks like Mirai uses IoT devices as bots to perform large DDoS attacks. In IoT ideas, deep learning plays a crucial role. So we have used deep learning technology and we have proposed a zero bias DNN for intrusion detection. The system is expected to have high accuracy rate than previously used intrusion detection systems. That's all. Thank you.